achieved $6 levels and now trading at 6.53. Now what to expect today? Can we expect the bearishness to continue, or are we looking forward to a rise from here? Which position we should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profit. So do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. Now, on the hourly charts, you'll find 85, 85.5 zone. This is definitely a very good resistance. Yes, you can buy there at 85.2. Beyond that, you can expect it to rise a little. How far it can go, you can find out that there is a potential for it to hit 86.2, 86.5 zone. That is going to be a good resistance. Remember, just trade and stick to the levels and definitely you can profit. So yes, a buy entry above 85.2 can be expected. At the same time, look at 83.5, multiple candles getting support there and bouncing back from those levels, and hence you have to wait for 83.5 to be breached. Till the time it trades above 83.5, below 83.5, I'll not recommend you to sell. In fact, on the upside, you can diminish the buy levels at 84.8, but on the sell side, you have to wait for it to sustain below 83.5. So 83.5, 84.8, do not trade above 84.8. You can expect 85.2, and only above 85.2 you can expect a rise for 86, 86.2 and then 87 levels. On the downside, below 83.5, certainly we can expect a further drop for 83, and then below levels are also expected. 82.4, 81.8 and 81.2 levels are going to be the next support levels. Directional movement, divergent and bearish, stochastic trading oversold here. On the hourly chart, the MACD is divergent and bearish, RSI is looking downwards, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts to see it has formed a symmetry, appears to achieve double bottom. Probably from those levels we will observe how it behaves. See, it is trying to give you lower highs, and flat bottom indicates it is giving you a squeeze. On the upside, there is a possibility for it to retrace till towards 86, 87 zone, and that should be a good resistance. You have to wait for it to take a right entry. The directional movement divergent and bearish, stochastic looking downwards on the 2-hour charts. The MACD is divergent and bearish here, and the RSI is looking downwards on the 3-hour charts. Likewise, if you see, similarly, after a little retracement, it is giving you a breakout potential to achieve 83.5 exists, and from there we will see how it behaves. Yes, it is trying to give you a squeeze out here, potentially achieving 83.5. It can again retrace, and then you can buy for, but then again expect that there are going to be resistance at around 85, 86 zone should be a very good resistance for oil there. 86, and beyond that 86.5, 87 should come into picture. Directional movement divergent and bearish here, stochastic trading at bottom here. And if you look at the MACD, this is again divergent and bearish here. It is just crossed over a few moments back and a few candles back, and RSI is looking downwards, indicating further little bearishness. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, likewise, if you see lower highs, flat bottom, lower lows here. Yes, it can potentially achieve 83.2, 83.5 zone, and from there a bounce back can be expected. So see, till 83.5, 83 zone we have to expect. See, the markets have just started, and yes, it is a lot much of time is available for us to trade throughout the day. In the next 20 hours probably it can swing couple of times up and down, and hence right now it is trading a bottom, and then it can potentially reverse from here till towards 85, 87 zone, and then from there again a drop can be expected, as it is trying to give you lower highs and flat bottom. We need to remain cautious at around 83.5, 83. Now see, 83, there is a very good support. So below 85, 83.5, yes, you can expect 83, and only if it breaks below 83, consider this for a bearish move here. Right now it is trying to give you higher lows, and potentially we have to stay observant there. The directional movement is divergent and bearish here. The stochastic is trading comfortable. The MACD is divergent and bearish here, increasing body size, increasing bearishness. Yes, it is still on the sell side. And if you look at the RSI, this is also looking downwards. On the daily charts, if you look at, see on the daily charts, now look at the size of this candle, almost from 89 to 85 levels. That is what I can see here, almost $4. And if you count the size from 86, it can try to take it till towards 82 levels, which is going to be a very good support for the day. Any rise till towards 86, potentially, yes, till the time it trades below 86, you can again try to initiate a short entry there at 86, 87 levels. So Very clear, 83.5, 84.8, do not trade. Above 84.8, you can expect it to rise for 86.2, 87 levels, and from there again a drop cannot be denied, which might take it or bring it till towards 83 and 82 levels. So there is a lot much of time left for us to trade for the day, and hence you need to be cautious. Any rise till towards 87 is a good entry for you to sell there. Also remember, this is a previous day's candle. I'll wait for the next candle to begin here. There above 84.8 you can buy, but then expect 86, 87, and below that certainly you can see a very good drop today. This time if it breaks out on the downside below 83, certainly we can see a very good drop taking it till towards 82, which is a very good support, and below 82 it is going to break heavily. Directional movement divergent and bearish here. Stochastic looking downwards at the bottom. The MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is trading at the bottom. Considering this, yes, for the day we may see a swing. You can sell at 83.5 and expect 83, 82 levels, 82.4 and 82 to provide a very strong support. Below 82 only we can see further more bearishness taking it till towards 81.2 and $80 levels. On the upside, till 86 and 87 zone, you have to stay alert. Achieving those levels, it can potentially break. Only confirmation of more bullishness is above 87 levels. Hence, if you see trading, yes, you can take a buy and trade 84.8. Trail your stop losses till towards 86.5, 87 levels, and from there initiate a short entry. That is also another strategy to profit today. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at NG. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you can join my mentorship batch. The last batch of this financial year starts on 28th of November. Be a part of it. Do not miss this opportunity and get yourself equipped with the right tools and strategy for you to make profit from next year onwards. Let the next year be the profitable one and be a confident trader. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are the ones mentioned in the channel description. If you go to the channel homepage, you will find an About Channel section, and then in About Channel section, you will find the details, required details and connection emails and the Telegram IDs where you can directly reach out to me. Also, you can be part of my signals channel, trading as per the signals. Definitely you can benefit. Now let's have a look at the hourly charts on NG. NG getting the resistance at 6.55 and support at 6.45. So this $1, now let's not trade below 6.45. You can expect 6.4, and then see 6.4 is very good support. Below that again it may try to trade bearish. At the same time above 6.55 it can try to potentially achieve 6.62, and beyond that it is going to trade bullish, extremely bullish. Directional movement divergent and bullish. Stochastic on the hourly charts is extremely overbought. It can look forward to a little retracement. The MACD is divergent and bullish. It can converge. The RSI is also trading near to the highs there. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts here also it is trying to trade in this zone. Potentially 6.62 should be a good level, beyond which you can find a little, or rather I'll say 6.55 you can buy, but then expect 6.62 and 6.6 levels as the good resistance. Only beyond 6.62 the bullishness to be seen. See, one candle, few candles, and then again a bullish candle may appear. You have to stay cautious. Only sell entries below 6.45 till 6.4. You need to be alert. Below 6.4 only we can expect it to trade bearish. Directional movement divergent and bullish. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish. The RSI is trading near to the highs there. Likewise on the 3-hour chart, 6.45 taking the support. It is trying to rise. It can potentially go back till towards 6.6, 6.2 zone, and then 6.7, 6.8 cannot be denied there. The directional movement divergent and bullish. Stochastic overbought. The MACD has just crossed over 3 candles away. It is still divergent and it is still bullish, and it has still potential for it to rise. RSI trading comfortable, looking upwards. Now look at the 4-hour charts. It is creating steps, and probably the next candle can bring out more bullishness there. Directional movement divergent and bullish. Stochastic overbought. Again, same indications on other charts what we saw. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, one observation: lower highs are seen here and lower lows are seen here. Yes, once it breaks past 6.6, certainly one can remain long on NG. Rather, I'll say 6.62. You can expect 6.7 and 6.8 levels. Beyond that, it is going to fly high for $7 levels. Directional movement divergent and bullish. Stochastic rising from. And look at the MACD. This is divergent and bullish. RSI trading flat. Considering this, buy at 6.55, but then expect 6.6, 6.62 zone. If it breaks past 6.6, 6.62 zone, consider it as bullish till the time it trades below 6.6, 6.62 zone. I will not consider this as bullish. Above 6.62, it will achieve 6.7, 6.8 levels. today itself. On the downside, you can sell at 6.45, below which you can expect 6.4 and 6.34 as the major support. And then 6.25 will come into picture. Till 6.25 today, stay cautious, stay alert. Do not think of it as bearish. Below 6.25 levels, 6.24 levels, you can expect further more bearishness, taking it till towards 6.2, 6.1, $6 level. 6 is a extremely good support for NG today. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.